it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Malaysia. For all you pasta fans out there, pastafarians, one and all, this is Kay's instant macaroni chicken soup. That's not something you usually find around these neck of the woods, but I've had macaroni that's chicken soup flavored and a lot of different flavors from Hong Kong before, but not as much so much from Malaysia. Let's see. Add the sachet, then add the macaroni, and do it for 3 minutes. Okay. So, what did I just say? What did I just say? You add the sachet first. Honestly, it really doesn't matter. But interesting. Looks like there's some maybe lima beans, other bits of stuff in there. That's kind of cool. And let it kind of do its swizzle. And then the macaroni. There's what macaroni looks like, in case you forgot. And that's gonna go for a big whopping 1, 2, 3 minutes. So first things first, we are going to do our special quote from the man himself, Momofuku Ando. I forgot for a couple episodes, and I feel really crummy about that because this is really cool. But no more. Number 16. An idea that cannot be commercialized is nothing more than a whim. An idea that can't be commercialized is nothing more than a whim. Wow. If that isn't a rule of acquisition, I don't know what is. So today was the first day of school for Miles, and I wish every day could be like today. Today, I think each class was like maybe 20 minutes. 2 classes. That was easy. Nice big long break in the middle. It looks as though, if everything works out right, it'll probably be more like 2 45-minute classes, something like that. Which, for kindergarten and sitting on a tablet, I think that's probably about all you can expect. He's got a tablet from the school district. It's an iPad. This is my first time ever working with one of those. It's kind of irritating, but you know, I'll live. I lived through this. I will live to breathe more and do more. And yeah, I'm going to use that bowl. So what's been going on? I've been feeling absolutely crummy. Really crummy. So, what was it? Last Saturday? No, Friday. Got up, walked around, ate a bunch, ate a whole bunch of almonds, like 3/4 of a can of almonds, walked around a bunch. Later, I had a couple beers. Then I ate a whole bunch of, my wife likes to make Korean barbecue, and I thought it was a good idea. I made a ton of it with a ton of white rice. And I think between the almonds, which are like little jagged, little gut bombs, and the white rice, the beef, and the Korean barbecue sauce, my system was not ready at all for that. I had a couple beers after that too, and yeah, bad scene. Speaking gastrointestinally, bad scene. So yeah, that was a bad scene. Not a lot of broth left in there. Kind of made it boil a little too hard. But as you can see, well, when I let you see, I'll let you see now. So there we have chicken macaroni soup. Not so soupy though. I'm gonna add a little tap water. There we go. Yeah, I was a little too overzealous with that burner. Ooh, is there junk on the camera? No, screen, you stay on. No, I don't think there's junk on the camera. The kids are making horrible noises in the living room. That was the toughest part about this morning. Mimi was like all up in the camera's business. All she wanted to do was be on camera and just keep yelling, "Hi friends! Hi friends!" And it's like, you're muted. It's not gonna work. You're killing me, kid. Ooh, that's hot. This is about what I expected. Kind of a thinner broth. That's pretty good. I can live with that. I would eat that. Especially if I added... What's he gonna add today? I don't... Shush! You shushing shushes, you little shushnicks. This is the bowl I should use. And the bowl you can see... I tell you though, she gets all whacked out on her dealy deal, and I swear, the drama is like way up here. I love my daughter, but sometimes I wish she could just tone it down. Take it down 20 notches. Maybe 30. It's a lot of notches, I know, but it really would help the situation out. Ag. Ooh, those came out very nice. If I do say so myself, my wife has become the mistress of the flying egg. I'm calling her lately. I don't know if she really cares for that, but she definitely does justice to the egg. And I appreciate her in all her egg glory, ladies and gentlemen. There's some baked chicken with a little bit of Cavender's seasoning on it. And some spring onion. Perhaps some sesame seed would go nicely in this one. God, my phone is just blowing up all day long. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. And it's Malaysia. I'll use some pepper flake. I tend to use pepper flake mostly when it comes to Malaysian and Singaporean stuff. When it comes to the more Japanese style stuff, that's when I'll bring out the shichimi. But I prefer to bring out the shichimi for only those kind of things. Sometimes I'll go against the grain, but you know. Anyways, man, that egg just sets it off, doesn't it? Wow. Well, let's get in there and have an egg-static time. Here we go. Cheers. Well, to prevent the children from causing extreme bodily harm to one another, I'm going to finish up here. But, yeah, this is an interesting one. Chicken soup flavor broth and macaroni. So if you're ever in Malaysia, or you can get these in Singapore as well, check out K's by Tastily. And this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles and macaroni each and every day. Have a good one and bye.